Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue Cybersecurity 101 and we will solve Defensive Security Intro. Okay, start. Introduction to Defensive Security. Which team focuses on defensive security? Blue team focuses on defensive security but red team focuses on offensive security. Also, our answer is blue team. Areas of defensive security. What would you call a team of cybersecurity professionals that monitors a network and its systems for malicious events? Security Operations Center's professionals monitors a network and finds malicious events. Security Operations Center. What does DFIR stand for? DFIR is Digital Forensics and Incident Response, and these professionals investigate malicious events, logs, and so on, and prevent the malicious attacks, hackers attacks. Okay. Which kind of malware requires the user to pay money to regain access to their files? Ransomware malware requires money, and all folders and all files is blocked, and we can't regain access if we don't pay the money. Also, our answer is ransomware. Practical example of defensive security. Okay. Scenario: let us pretend you are a security operations center analyst responsible for protecting a bank. Simulating a CM view site. Okay. And we can see the colors. In logically, green colors is safe, but red color log is dangerous log. Okay, but we need IP address, and I will note this IP address. Okay. Yep. Submit. Okay. It is malicious log, and this IP address is from China, Jiangsu City, China Mobile Communications Corporation. Okay. Next. We shouldn't worry too much if it was a failed authentication. Sorry guys, attempt, but you probably noticed the successful authentication attempt from the malicious IP address. Let's declare a small incident event and escalate it. This is some great stuff working at the company, but you wouldn't want to escalate this to the wrong person who is not in charge of your team or department. Choose to whom you would escalate this event. SOC team lead, yes. You got the permission to block the malicious IP address, and now you can proceed and implement the block rule. Block the malicious IP address and on the firewall and find out what a message left for you. Okay. We block the IP address. block IP address. Yes, we blocked the malicious IP address. Our flag is that. Okay guys, we finished this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.